you think solar panels are just an add-on to traditional rooftops? Real BIPV turns buildings from energy consumers into energy producers. SOEASY BIPV solutions replace traditional roofing with functional PV modules, featuring structural waterproofing, wind resistance, thermal insulation, and architectural aesthetics. It solves roof leakage fundamentally, realizes high-efficiency power generation, and activates idle rooftop space. Adopting a self-consumption with surplus grid feed model, generated electricity can be used on site during the day, while excess power is exported to the grid for additional returns. Greatly cut enterprise electricity costs and convert green energy into real profits. Clean power generation greatly reduces building energy consumption and carbon emissions, supporting industrial and commercial buildings in achieving global carbon neutrality goals and green building certifications. SOEASY, your reliable partner for solar energy solutions.